Hey everyone, Roger here from Backyard Bee and Garden. You know, something that I tried because one of the bigger chickens, we call it big chicken, is getting pecked from the other ones, is I took off the light that I had inside the coop here. Because it's wintertime, egg production goes down if they don't have a certain amount of light. So what we noticed was they're still picking on big chicken, unfortunately, even though we spray her and try to keep them away from her. But we noticed that the egg production actually dropped off considerably in just the few weeks that I turned off the light. So I'm going to show you, all you need to do is have one of these timers. We're going to add that back in, and I have just an LED light. This is going to come on around, I have it set for 4 in the morning and then shutting off around 7:30 when the door opens up. We don't open the door till 7:30 because Daisy, the rooster, likes to crow like crazy and wakes my wife up. So she says 7:30 is the time. Actually, take that back. 6:30 is when the door opens up. All right, so let's add this. Just gonna take the roost down. Use that so the poop door doesn't hit me from behind. I'll bring you in here and I'll show you what I got going on. Hey girl. So up inside the chicken coop, I have 2 power strips. I have a power feed run out because I need it for the automatic door. And then I have this LED light right up top here. Right there. And I have that disabled right now. You cannot come out and play. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this back in. I just cleaned the coop, so I'm not completely disgusted by climbing in here. I'm going to put this up high, as long as it doesn't shut off the power strip. That would be bad. I've done that before. Let me come down one more. Alright, there we go. I've had it where the chickens have bumped the power strip and then shut the main power off and then the door doesn't work correctly. That's no bueno. Alright, so I just have this. This is going to attach to the side here of my timer. My timer is on, and flip this back around. And when the timer turns on, my LED light will come on like that, and it will light up the chicken coop in the morning, and that's all the signal that they need to produce a little bit more eggs. So I'll have to give you an update in a couple of weeks to see if we go back to the higher production eggs that we were having before I took the light out to try to help big chicken. But since they're still pecking at big chicken, then we're going to put the light back in because I'd rather have the eggs. And then when it's spring, we'll probably isolate big chicken for a bit so that she can have a chance to heal. But right now, with everything going on, they need the heat from the other chickens to stay nice and warm. So we're going to just leave her in here and care for her the best that we can with some skincare products that we have for her. And that's it. You just have to set a light and a timer up in your coop, or you can even have it out in your pen. I know I have a friend that puts his out in his pen and it comes on at a certain time. It lights up the whole area, but you know, your rooster's going to start crowing, so if that's going to bother you or your neighbors, do it inside the coop, and that way they're contained, and even if they crow, even if your rooster crows, it's a little bit quieter because they are contained in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back on the auto mode. There we go. And we're good to go. So we can increase our egg production again. All right, girls, get to laying. Get the roost back up. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me on Backyard Bee and Garden. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.